Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be making fish sauce with yam. That's what I want to prepare. Hello beautiful, so this is what I'm using: tomato with bell pepper with onion. Simple recipe. So I'll be blending it and frying it. Let's go guys. Here in my pot I'm adding my oil. So leaving it to hot a little bit before I add the onion. So I'm adding my onion now. I will allow the onion to fry a little bit because I like my onion to be very cooked. If not, I'm not go shop. Okay, now I'll be adding my bell pepper blends. Okay, fry. I like to steam very well or fry very well, if that will make sense. This fish is going to be very yummy, delicious. This is what we are having for dinner. So guys, if today the first you are seeing my video, you are highly welcome. God bless you for stopping by. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you. Please turn off the notification bell, subscribe if you have not subscribed, comment, and thank you. So our stew is ready. Our sauce is ready. I will be adding my crayfish. Oh my god, this microfish, look at the microfish. Who remember this microfish? So the last video I made this microfish. So if you have not watched the video, go and watch the video please, and comment, because I went to Africa shop that day to get the fish. So I'll be using 1.5. This fish I'll be using 1.5. So I just flay the fish and I want it to be dried a little bit. Our fish will be ready. So do you see that? Oh my god, see this fish. This fish is so yummy. So yummy. Oh, be like I go finish this fish before I want use it to start cooking the food I want to cook. This fish is so yummy. Oh, I want to finish it. Oh, yes too. Actually, it's so very yummy. This fish is very yummy. So I'll be using 1.5 as I said before. So guys, let's go, so that I not eat this fish finish. Oh my god, this is so yummy. So guys, I'll be using 1.5 fish as I said before. The sauce is ready, and come myself the aroma in my kitchen. Oh my god, everywhere is scenting yummy. My neighbor will be wondering what is this woman cooking, that the aroma is calling us. Oh my god. So guys, thank you. As I said before, God bless you for always coming back to watch my video. Much love. So I'll be using this sauce for yam. I bought the yam also today. I went to Africa shop. So I'll be using it for the yam. Our sauce is ready. Oh my god. Did you see that? Did you see this yummy look? This yummy look. All the gbogbo don't enter the fish. All the gbogbo, all the spices, all everything with enough pepper. Oh my god. You need to try this recipe guys, and let me know in the comment section how is it, if that English makes sense. So here is my yam. Peeling it, cutting it, peeling it. So this is what we are having for dinner. As I said before, here is the yam. Just add a little bit of salt. Salt not go for body, so I'm not the chop sauce like that. Just little sauce, little salt. Our yam is ready. Quick action, guys. Not just take time. Oh my God! See the fish. See the fish. Hubby is going to enjoy this sauce with the microfish. Did you see that yumminess? That yummy look? Oh my God. So guys, here I am adding the yam. And that's waiting to eat this yummy yam with sauce. The one I'm craving for is the fish, not even the yam. The fish. I've been craving for this fish for a long time. So guys, here we are. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. Thank you. Let me know in the comment section how do you see this recipe. If you are going to try this recipe out. See you next time in my next video. Bye.